click on distribute music videos, and it will be available on Facebook. So when people watch your videos on Facebook, you will get money from it.
Yeah, hello. Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Randall Technology Company is an online company booster. So if you're a small business and you want to grow your business online, don't relax. Just hit us up and we'll show you the guidelines, the strategies, ideas to build your business online. Yeah. So on today's episode is for only the musicians, music producers, and music engineers. Yeah. So I want to show you how to monetize your music videos on Facebook. I want to show you how you can monetize your music videos on Facebook. Yeah, people post their music videos on Facebook without getting anything from it. So I want to show you how you can get money from your music videos from Facebook. Yeah, so when you post your music video on Facebook, you will get money when people watch it. So I want to show you how you can do it to get your royalties from watching your music videos. So no time to waste. Join me on my phone screen and let me show you how to earn money from your music videos. The needs to remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, and please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll reply you. Yeah, so join me on my phone screen and let me show you how to monetize your music videos on Facebook. Yeah.
Yeah. So welcome to my phone screen. So as I've already told you, I want to show you how to distribute your music videos to Facebook. How to monetize your music videos on Facebook. Yeah, how to monetize your music videos on Facebook. So first of all, you create accounts on 1rpm.com. Yeah, so if you want to know how to distribute your music to other guitar stores, you can watch the video I did the last time on the link on the right corner side, the top right corner side. Yeah, you can click on that link to watch how to distribute your music freely to other guitar stores. Yeah, so today we'll be using the same formula to distribute our music videos to Facebook, so that when people watch the videos, you will get money. So I want to show you how to monetize your videos on Facebook. Yeah, so first of all, you go to Google and insert 1rpm.com. So after insert 1rpm.com, this one will pop up. Then you create an account. So if you don't know how to create accounts, you can watch the video on the right top corner. Yeah, you can click that link to watch the video, or you can check the link in my description to watch the video how to create account on 1rpm, how to distribute your music on 1rpm. Yeah, so after creating the account, then you log into your accounts. I'm not a robot. Then you click on login. Yeah, so it's loading. So it will take us to our dashboard. Yeah, so right now the dashboard overview is loading. Yeah, so this is the dashboard. So today I want to show you how to monetize your music videos on Facebook, or how to monetize your videos on Facebook. Yeah. So let's click on distribute video. And this one is not only for musicians. If you're a comedian or you are influencer, or like content creator, you can use this format to get your videos monetized on Facebook. Yes, not only for musicians, it cuts across all the content creators. If you are a funny video creator like YouTube or anything, you can do it. So let's follow the process and let's try. So let's say the title of your music video is so the title is, let's say, Randall. Let's say Randall. Let's say Randall is the title. Then primary artist or band name. That's the artist who did the song, the name of the artist. So since the account belongs to me, you can search for the artist name, or if you don't have, let's say, accounts on this digital stores or Facebook, they'll create some for you automatic. So but let's say I have an account, I'm already started over there. So let's search for, so let's click it, because like, yeah. So let's say the premises kind of rhymes. Then you select your main genre, the genre of the video you want to distribute. So these are the genres. So let me go for, let's say, hip hop or rap. Let's say then it's a let's second genre. Let's say, then it's a second genre. Let's say hip hop, but it's Afrobeat. Let's, like, we are doing it for tutorial 6, so let's go. So the language is English. So the copyright, label of copyright, everything is there, and the label is kind of rhymes. Copyright is 2022 kind of rhymes. So when they posted it on Facebook, the copyright, anything, or when people share it, I'll still earn money from it. Yeah. So then I'll click video contributors. Then this one pop up. Then you check whether the music video info summary is good. Let's say, yeah, it looks good. So this is it. Then you click on add artist or contributor. Let's say the songwriter, Kenny Rhymes, Ro, that's the performer, and Kenny Rhymes, the songwriter. I hope you are following the steps. Yeah. Let's say B Evans as the songwriter. Okay, like, if, and one thing, if your name is not there, they will create account for you automatic. But let me use Kenny Rhymes, because Kenny Rhymes is already in the system. Then I'll add songwriter. That's Kenny Rhymes. Yeah. Then if you have the lyrics, you can post the lyrics here, so that if the video is playing, the lyrics will be popping up. If it is explicit, then you say explicit, but it's not explicit, let's say no. Then I click on upload video. They say primary artist cannot also be an additional. So let's say this one. Then I'll add the, let's say, producer. Songwriter cannot be the name of the. I will see. You have to check all these things. Or it can't go for it. So you have to check before it's or songwriter cannot be the name of video or add songwriter. Then I click on upload video. Yeah. So when you are adding a songwriter, don't use like use your same name, like use your original name. Like say Big Vance, yeah, it's your original name. So after that, then you upload your music video. But just we are using it for tutorial sake, so I will not upload in the music video. Yeah. So if you click here, it will take you to your files. Then you upload the video. But before then, you have to read the guidelines, the format. Only horizontal videos are accepted. Minimum length is 60 seconds. But that one is for the minimum length. So let's say the maximum length you can upload, let's say 5 minutes, but make sure that the video you are uploading is more than 1 minute. That's 60 seconds. Yeah. So you read all these things, then yeah, you make sure that the video you are uploading is also MP4. Then we go to distribution preference. Yeah, say because we didn't upload the music video, that's why this one I've been shown danger sign. But when you upload the video, your music video, it will take green. Yeah, but I want us to show like to learn something. That's why. So select territory. Where do you want your videos to reach? I say red, so the whole red. Yeah. Then you check your release date, everything. Yeah, your pre-order and everything. So pricing, you can price, you can. So when people watch your videos, how much are you willing to get? If it's high or medium or low. Let's say if you are a new artist, you have to go for a low price. Yeah, a low price. So after that, then video stores. These are the video stores. But since we want to distribute to only Facebook, we will. So this is it. So because we want to distribute to only Facebook. So this are it. Then you click on preview. So this how it will be. Let's say you have upload your videos here. So this how it will appear. This how it will appear. Then you click on distribute music video. But since the music video is not available in there, it will not go. But when you add your music video, then after doing all these things, then you click on distribute music videos, and it will be available on Facebook. So when people watch your videos on Facebook, you will get money from it. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. And if you know it's beneficial and it's good for you, just leave me a subscribe, comment, link up, and let's do more things. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Watch me same time next week, and I'm out.